So in today's class of reasoning and aptitude for this is for reasoning and aptitude for bank exam and competitive exam, very important it is. And today's topic will be related to letter series, and this is a lecture 3. In the previous lecture I've already given you all the first two parts. So first, write down this letter series. Letter series usually consist of series of letters which follow a certain pattern, or some letters are missing from the series. These missing letters are then given in a proper sequence as one of the alternatives. For example, you all can take the example, find the next letter in the given series. Okay, here example is given, you all have to find the next letter in the given series. Now there is the last series. How you'll have to find out? Explanation I have given you all here only. The answer is V. Why the answer is V? Because the pattern is not to count first. Okay, one forward from A to Z, and then the second one backward from Z to A. For example, B, Y, C, X. See here, X, Y, W, V. Okay, here B, C, D, E is given. It is straightforward, right? Then V, W, X, Y. Here from backward, and first is forward. B, C, D, E, and then backward. V, W, X, Y. So obviously V will be the correct option. Okay. From this pattern only you all can see that these are backward and these are forward. Okay, next moving further, next example, let us see. So here which is the correct option, by the way? The correct answer is B. Okay. Next, let us see the next example. That is your example. Find the next pair of the letter in the given series. You all have to find a pair now. Okay. Now how you all are going to find a pair? I have given you all the explanation here only. Okay. The answer is FP. FP means the correct option is B. Okay. And why it is? Reason is because the pattern is to count backward in one for the first letter and count forward in the 3 of the second letter. For example, K, J, I, H, G is given, and then after G comes F. Then P, M, then you'll have to count the letter backward. Okay, like A, D, G, J, M, P is given, right? After M, what will come? P will come. Okay, what I'll have to do is and count forward in 3 for the second letters. After leave B, C, write D, E, F, leave 2 letters, write G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, M, N, O, leave N, O, and then P will come. So here F and P is the correct option. Okay, I hope you all are understanding this concept. Next example, let us see. Next example will be, which one of the following letter is 7th to the left of the 6th letter from the right end? So here the letter is given like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. All this letter is given, and you all have to see which of the following letter. So which of the following letter is 7 to the left? 7 to the left means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the left will be what? 6th letter from the right end is U. Okay, from right side. Okay, the 6th letter to the right side is U, and 7 to the left U is N. Okay, so option A is the correct option. Okay, here the reason I have given it you all here only. You can read the reason. Next, moving further, that is next example. Next example is pick the odd one out. Here the options are given. You all have to pick the odd one out. Okay. Now here you all have to see option A will be what? B to F, F to J. Okay. And here what is given? Okay. So pick the odd one out. So here A, B, F, J is given. After B, which alphabet comes? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. In option B, it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, again it is correct only. Next, let us see H, L, P, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yeah, we are getting. Next, D, option D will be what? K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. P, O, K, O, R, P, Q. Here, this is the odd one, right? We are not getting this. D1. So here, in option D, K, O, R is different from the rest. So obviously, the option D is the odd one. So we are picking the odd one out. So next, moving further, next example, let us see. Now next example, PL is to RO, STM is to dash. So option B is the correct option. But why option B is the correct option, that we need to see. Okay. So here I have given you all the reason. Here P R first. Okay. PR is given. PQR minus 2 you have taken. Then L is what? LO. Right. LO will be MN. LMNO. Right. TUV MNOP. So which is the correct option? VP is the correct option, because we are taking or removing the odd one out. So here which is the odd one now? PL is to RO. PL. So here option B is the correct option. Explanation is given right over here. Okay. Here option B is the correct option. Okay, VP is the required term. So here VP is the required term. Okay. Next, let us see next example. How many meaningful words can be formed from the letter T, A and C? Okay, here options are given 0, 2, 3, 4, none of this. So option B is the correct option, because you can write cat. Okay, cat will be the CAT, cat, and 8, A, okay. Or, and one more, which letter you can form? Act, ACT. So these are the two letters. Possible words are act and cat. So obviously the option B is the correct option. Next, let us see. So in the next example, which one letter occurs twice in mathematics, one in practice, but does not occur in scientist? Okay, options is given. Option C is the correct option. Why option C is the correct option? Here I have given you all the reason. You all can take down also. The letter M, A and T occur twice in MET. Okay, and MET here also. But only letter A occurs once in patties. Okay, A is the only letter which occurs in patties. Here, A. And A does not occur in scientist. Okay, so the letter occurs twice in mathematics, once in patties, but does not occur in scientist. Here in patties there is only one letter A, but it is not there in scientist. So is the correct option. Next, let us see. Next example is what? Find a letter which will end the first word and start the second word. Okay, it will find a letter which will end with the first word and start with the second word. So which word it is? The answer is E. Why the answer is E? Because it completes the first H, okay, H, AGE, and also begins the second word with E. So option D is the correct option, right? Because it ends the word with E and starts the word with H. Okay, next let us see next example. So next example is what? Identify the one that does. So you all can take down, identify the one that does not belong to the group. So option C is the correct option, they have said. Now why it is correct option, let us see. Option C is the correct option, it seems. Now why it is the correct option, I have given you all the explanation on the next page. Okay, there are three consecutive letters C, B, D. Okay, C, B, D, C, B and D. Okay, next Q, P, R, Q, P, R, and next will be but Q, P, R, L, M, L, N, M, L, N. But what happens is letter X, W, Z are not consecutive. So this is not consecutive. That's why this option is the correct option. Okay. Here even you all can read the explanation. You all will understand it. Next example is identify the one which is different from the rest. Now which is the different from the rest? Explanation is the option is B, right? Why option B is the correct option? Here M, L is given, M, L. Then comes J, K, okay, plus 1 it will be. Then comes DC minus 1, SR, then QP. So JK is different from others. J and K are different from others. Rest you are getting all minus, right? Because all are ulta. After L comes M. After C comes T. After R comes S, RS. P, after P comes Q, okay? But after J comes K. So this is the different one so from the rest. So that's why the option B is the correct option. Okay. So I'll wind up my lecture here only today, and in the next class I will give you all odd one out. The topic will be odd one out. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the concept, today's concept. If any queries, doubts, you all can comment below, and thanks for watching.